Are you someone who is trapped in negativity? Nothing in your life is working according to your wish. You're really trying hard to think positive to attract good things in your life, but your mind is asking for proof. Where is the evidence? This happened with one of my clients long back. We were having conversation, and this lady has come from a very rich and affluent background, intelligent and also highly qualified. But she said, Seema, now last 7 years has been a disaster in my life. I have come to rock bottom. Nothing is working in my life. My relationships are broke. I'm financially so much broke that I can't even afford buying fruits. I don't have job. I'm a single mother. Then I told her, think over it again. Definitely there must be something good happening to you right now. Look at Corona. At least in this Corona we are safe, healthy, and we are alive. That is very big thing. And then she said, that is also not true for me because I lost my daughter in this COVID. Oh my God, I was completely shattered, and I knew that I have to give her a different perspective, because if she is thinking negative again and again, she is going to attract more negativity in her life. That is not going to lead her to happiness. And I told her, see, if life is very uncertain, you think these things, you never thought that this will happen to you. If life is uncertain and bringing you from top to rock bottom, life can definitely take you. Why it is not a possibility that life can take you from rock bottom to top? If that can happen, this can also happen. And she said that, yeah, it is logical, it is convincing. I can think over it again. A week later, she messaged me. She said that I definitely have small little things to be grateful for. And it was liberating. I'm feeling much content now. 1 month later, this lady gave me a great news that she found a job. She's earning now, and for this job she was struggling for last 5 years. Are you someone who want to bring that change in your life? You're trapped in negativity, but your conscious mind is not accepting any positive thing, and you need help for that. Comment below now if you're trapped in negativity, and if you want to change your perspective and change the things around you, because it is at most important. Because your external world is the reflection of your internal world. So any change you want to bring in your external world, you have to start from within. If you want to know how you can start from within, change your perspective towards life, then click on the link in my bio to book a free consultation with me to know the process. By the way guys, my name is Seema Ranade, researcher turned into a lecturer, author, speaker and a coach. I help working professionals, especially researchers and scientists, live a magnificent life by helping them change their perspective towards life, regardless of all the negative things happening in their life. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay tuned. See you soon and bye for now.